By the way, do you know how the brake works on your motorcycle?
When I pull the brake lever and press down the brake pedal, it stops.
Come on. Doctor is asking you about the mechanism of the brake. Don't you, doctor?
That's right. I am asking you about disc brake and drum brake.
Disc brake? Drum brake? What's that?
Okay, let me explain those two brakes briefly. Motorcycles have disc brake or drum brake installed. When you press down the brake pedal, the rod is moved to push the brake arm, and the brake arm in turn pushes the brake shoes against the drum from inside so that the motorcycle is stopped.
I see. It stops from inside.
Next is the disc brake. When you pull the brake lever, the pressure of the brake fluid inside the master cylinder is transmitted to the brake caliper, and the two brake pads inside the caliper grip the disc, which is turning with the wheels so that the speed is reduced.
Disc brake grips the disc to stop the motorcycle.
For the drum brake, shoes are important, while for the disc brake, pads are important. Aren't they?
Brake pads, shoes, what's that?
I explained them a while ago. Don't you remember?
Shoot. I see. The brake shoes are inside the drum brake and are pushed against the drum from inside. And the brake pads sandwich the disc to reduce speed. Am I right?
Yay! Great, that's right.
Look at me.
These areas of the brake pads are pressed against the disc, aren't they?
Sounds like both of brake pads and brake shoes are pressed against something.
Good point. Both brake pads and shoes are pressed directly against the thing rotating.
Doctor, those two get worn down and thinner while they are being used, right?
What happens when they are worn down?
Brake will lose its effectiveness, and eventually it stops working.
What? That's horrible. What should I do?
Checking brake pads and brake shoes are included in periodic maintenance, so it should be fine as long as you have a periodic maintenance, right, doctor?
They are indeed included in periodic maintenance, but checking brake is also one of the items for a pre-ride inspection. So don't forget to do that. For how to perform a pre-ride inspection, check out the owner's manual.
I understand now. Thank you. I will make sure to have a periodic maintenance and pre-ride inspection.
Go to a Honda dealer and have a maintenance. Don't forget to replace them depending on the condition.